wala ngayon. Kasama natin si Aya. Yung pinakalila. Ay, hindi siya si Aya. Tawag lang namin sa kanya. Bunso, diba? Ito may sagid na kuya. Ito yung kinain namin. Basta guys, kami nang pauso nito. Yes! Kakain ko. Mamaya na. Shoot. Pero guys, itong hotdog na to ay gawa ko.
Edward took the Crusaders' cross in a dramatic ceremony in 1268 and began preparations for the hard journey to the Middle East.
Guys, alam mo ba, bakit ako bata sa, bakit mukha akong bata sa, sinayo ka man ni Aya? Nung bata na maliit? Bakit Aya? Baga. Aliyah Loren. Di Mariano kasi pangalan niya.
Disaster struck. Louis suddenly died of the plague while waiting for the Englishmen to arrive. Most sane people would have thrown in the towel, but not Edward. Finally, in 1271, he made it to the Holy Land.
Namimiss ko.
This didn't go as planned.
Nalaro ko na.
Surprisingly, his paltry 1,000 men
17 na ako pero nang lalaro pa din ako. Kasama yung mga pinsan ko.
couldn't get any worse. He suddenly found himself desperately fighting for his life.
Mga anak ko pa, mapang-anak ko.
Just over a year after Edward arrived in Jerusalem, he opened negotiations with one of the Muslim emirs. What he didn't realize was the whole thing was a ruse. A man came to Edward's door claiming to be a
Nuluto
messenger.
pa rin na. Pero nakain na natin ito.
However, as soon
Kinain na lang natin.
as he suddenly lunged at the future king with a dagger in his fist.
Yan, okay na. Tapos na. Kakainin natin. Tapos sasasaw natin siya sa cheese.
Edward managed to fight him
Baka
off
kasi matapon eh.
the stool, but the threat wasn't over yet. The assassin's dagger turned out to be poisoned, and Edward had been struck twice, once on the arm and once on the forehead. His wounds quickly festered, and he only survived thanks to the quick work of his surgeon. Legend says that it was his wife Eleanor who sucked the assassin's poison out of his wounds. While fighting his failed crusade,